Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Part 5 of 10. Question number 1. What tense do you use for a sudden decision you make right now? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. Oh, I forgot. I will buy some milk. It's cold. I will close the window. I'm hungry. I will make a sandwich. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. That's a good idea. I will do that. Question number 2. How do you talk about predictions for the future? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. It will rain tomorrow. I think she will win the competition. The economy will improve next year. He will become a great artist. You will enjoy the party. Question number 3. What tense do you use for promises? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. I will help you. She will always love him. They will finish the work on time. He will call you back. We will never forget this day. Question number 4. What tense describes future plans that are decided before the moment of speaking, often with be going to? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. I am going to visit my family next month. She is going to start a new job. They are going to buy a house. He is going to study medicine. We are going to have a party. Question number 5. How do you talk about an action that will happen soon? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. The bus will arrive soon. She will be here in a minute. The movie will start shortly. He will finish his work any minute now. We will leave in a while. Question number 6. What tense is used when you make an offer to help? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. I will carry that bag for you. She will help you with your homework. We will clean the kitchen. He will make you a cup of tea. I will open the door. Question number 7. What tense do you use for warnings about the future? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. Be careful, you will fall. Don't touch that, it will burn you. If you don't study, you will fail. If you go out without a coat, you will catch a cold. The ice is thin, it will break. Question number 8. If you are talking about something that will happen tomorrow or next week, what tense is most common? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. I will go shopping tomorrow. She will start her new job next week. They will travel to Paris next month. He will visit his parents next year. We will have a meeting on Monday. Question number 9. What tense expresses a refusal to do something? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. I won't go there. She won't listen to me. They won't help us. He won't change his mind. The car won't start. Question number 10. What tense is used to ask about someone's intentions or willingness for the future? Answer, simple future tense. Examples. Will you marry me? Will you come to the party? Will she help us? Will they agree? Will he tell the truth? Like, comment and subscribe.